గౌరవ సభ్యులు అడిగిన ప్రశ్నకు సమాధానం ఏ ప్రశ్నకు సమాధానం లేదండి. అయితే తెలంగాణ రాష్ట్రంలోని సింగరేణి ప్రాంతంలో ఉన్న 4 బొగ్గు బ్లాక్లను కేంద్ర ప్రభుత్వం వేలం ద్వారా కేటాయింపులకు అవకాశం ఇచ్చింది అధ్యక్ష. ఈ ప్రశ్న ఉత్పన్నం కాదు. సి ప్రశ్న ఇది కూడా ఈ ప్రశ్న ఉత్పన్నం కాదు అధ్యక్ష.
The web counseling is going on. Today and tomorrow is the last date, sir. They know that. उसके बाद में नहीं कर सकते साहब. उसके बाद में, sir, the reason I'm saying is that कि web counseling is going on.
Honorable Speaker, sir, through you I am requesting is that, sir, the seat allocation is going on. The counseling is going on. Sir, when I say that ke minority colleges have 60% of A category, the fees is 60,000. Non-minority colleges have an A category of only 50%. Here it is 60% and there it is 50%. Because of this, sir, more than 350 students will be losing an opportunity. The meritorious students belonging to Hindu, Muslim, SC, ST, BC, sir, the counseling is going on. I am not standing here and saying that can reduce the 60% of minority colleges. No, sir. Let it be, sir. But here I am saying that non-minority colleges are having only 50%. Because of that, 300 meritorious students will lose their seat, will forfeit their seat, or they will end up paying 13 lakhs or 14 lakhs per annum. This is what I am saying. This needs to be corrected. The counseling is going on, sir. Today the counseling is going on. That is why I am saying, why is the differentiation between minority and non-minority? Why should a meritorious student end up paying lakhs? Why should they pay lakhs? Let them have the seat in thousands also. That is what I am saying. Government is, sir, the government नए मेडिकल कॉलेज ला रही साहब. 150 सीट एक कॉलेज में होते, 2 नए मेडिकल कॉलेजेस लाए, वैसा है ये. 2 नए मेडिकल कॉलेजेस 150 के सीट के 2 साहब. तो प्लीज मेरी बात को समझिए, इस पे आप करेक्ट करिए या तो काउंसलिंग को स्टॉप करिए और स्टॉप द काउंसलिंग, करेक्ट दिस मिस्टेक एंड देन let the students go on the web counseling. Immediately you should stop the counseling.
Brought it to our notice yesterday night only. Before that we doesn't know. It was there since long time. Yesterday night in the discussion, honorable member has told me we were in the house till night 10:30, 10:45 in the house only. Again we are here at 10 o'clock. When can I address that issue, sir? I promise him that today itself I will conduct a meeting. I will talk to the department and I'll also take the opinion of the legal department, and we will try to find a solution as early as possible.
Question number 1252, Minister for Energy.
అధ్యక్ష,
సార్ మీ ద్వారా నేను ప్రభుత్వానికి సజెషన్ ఇచ్చేది ఏంటంటే, ఇప్పుడు అక్బరుద్దీన్ గారు చెప్పినట్టుగా మైనార్టీ కాలేజ్కి నాన్ మైనార్టీ కాలేజ్లో సరే గత కాంగ్రెస్ ప్రభుత్వ హయాంలో అది ఉంది కాబట్టి మేము మార్చలేమని చెప్తా ఉన్నారు. అది ఉమ్మడి రాష్ట్రం సార్, దాంట్లో ఉన్న అన్నింటినీ చాలా కరెక్ట్ చేసుకుంటున్నాం మనం. 50% నుంచి నాన్ మైనార్టీ కాలేజ్లో కూడా 60% ఏ కేటగిరీ పెడితే మన తెలంగాణ బిడ్డలకే ఉపయోగం సార్. అది మెరిటోరియస్ స్టూడెంట్స్కి. అందులో SC
जो नॉन माइनॉरिटीज में 50% रखे हैं और माइनॉरिटी में 60 रखे हैं, उसकी वजह से द मेरिटोरियस स्टूडेंट्स आर लूजिंग द अपॉर्चुनिटी. This has to be corrected by the state government. Why that minority colleges have given 60% and non-minorities have been given 50%? Sir, I'm standing here and I'm not saying that the 60% of minority should be reduced. No, sir. Minority students are getting benefited. The A category fees is 60,000, sir. Yesterday also I have told, sir, with this more than 300 meritorious students will get a benefit if this is corrected. Why are we not correcting this? Private college is a private college, sir. whether it is minority or non-minority. Category distribution, percentage distribution should be equal. Why is it not equal? Is my question. Kindly correct it, sir. With this, many meritorious students, sir. Hindu students, Muslim students, SC students, ST students, BC students, tribal students, all students will get benefited if this is corrected. So we should correct this.